Now lastly, right, sometimes you'll be asked, what is the difference between elements, compounds, and mixtures? Well, elements, tend to contain only one type of atom, right, and they cannot be broken down into any simpler type of matter. So, for example, right, helium or oxygen. So do take note, just because there's more than one atom in the molecule, it still means it is an element, right? For example, oxygen, O2. Just because there's two oxygen atoms does not mean that it is not an element. It is still an element because it has only one type of element. Next, compounds, right? These contain atoms of two or more different elements bonded together, and this can be chemically broken down into its elements. For example, sodium fluoride, NaF, or CO2. As long as there's more than one different type of element, it is generally a compound. Next, we have mixtures, right? Mixtures, they generally contain two or more elements and or compounds that are mixed together. Remember, they're not bonded, right? They're just mixed together in the same pile, alright? And these can be physically separated into different components. For example, alloys, which we've already went through, are mixtures of metals with other elements, or your air. Air is a very common mixture that you can think about. Air has different molecules, right? For example, your carbon dioxide, your oxygen, your nitrogen gas, and